Hey guys, last week on Funday Friday we did competition ribs and they came out delicious.
Fire.
Go ahead and check this out.
Man, John, those ribs were crazy. We showed you guys how to do some fantastic competition St. Louis ribs. We also showed you a great recipe for a backyard baby back rib. Congratulations to Lesser Palmer for being last week's winner. If you want to see how you can win, go ahead and watch this whole video over here. And if you guys can see more amazing content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel on YouTube.